অর্ডার করানো হয়েছে বাড়ি জোম্যাটো থেকে ফ্রম টেস্টি টেস্ট। লেটস সি কীরকম খাবার দাবার দিয়েছে আর আমরা কি কি অর্ডার করেছি হচ্ছে মিক্সড ফ্রাইড রাইস থাই and Thai chicken boneless and chicken wings. Let's see. We are going to unboxing it. I also like spicy things. So এটা আমার জন্য একদম perfect. আমি একদম এরকম খাবার খেতে চাই, like too spicy. And as we have ordered Thai flavored fried rice and Thai flavored boneless chicken, so it's a little bit spicy rather than the others. So you can definitely order from here. But যারা একটু less spicy খাও বা যারা একটু less spicy পছন্দ করো বা এতটাও spicy খাও না like me, so I would like to suggest them definitely ask the restaurant to give less spicy. And restaurant can also give me about 350 হয়েছে. So you can go to the restaurant and bring your own food from there. I don't know whether they have the dining facility or not. So we just for once you can just check out with the menu if you want to. And if you are a Chinese food lover, then I would like to suggest you all definitely visit this place for once. So this is it. Thank you. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Leave a like and you can comment. You can give me suggestion for the blog, like on which topic I can put the blog and. Would you like to have more vlogs or on like on various topics you want? So let me know. You can go to my Instagram profile. You can follow me over there, and I have my FB page named Sapuna Buddha. You can go there and follow me as well. And if you want to collab with me, so ping it here on Instagram. Thank you.